Ever feel like you don't really know what's happening in your company's email? Let's fix that. For most admins, it's kind of like a black box. You know it's working, but you're not sure how, right? You're always putting out fires, old accounts, mailboxes that are totally full, messy team inboxes.
Well, that's where Zoho Mail reports come in. They bring all that chaos into one clear view. Okay, so first things first, who is actually using the system? And how are they using it?
You know, those inactive accounts are a real headache. They're a security risk and just waste resources. With a quick look, you can see who hasn't logged in for ages. Super easy to reclaim those licenses. Plus, you can check their group memberships and see if things like POP or IMAP are set up right.
All right, now let's talk about the mailboxes themselves. Actual resource usage. So, why do some mailboxes fill up way faster than others? That can cause some serious problems.
See, now you can spot who's about to hit their limit before it becomes an actual crisis.
And troubleshooting? So much easier. What was a user headache is now a simple 3-step fix.
You can also see who's connecting on mobile and who has access to someone else's mailbox.
Okay, moving beyond just individual accounts, how are your teams actually communicating? Because when teams change, it's tough to know who's really getting emails sent to sales or support.
Well, group reports give you a perfect map. You see all the groups, who's in them and who's in charge. And this is where it gets really powerful. These things aren't separate problems, they're all connected. So you can stop just reacting to problems and start managing the whole system proactively. Huge difference. It's about getting that complete picture, seeing how users, mailboxes, and groups all work together. Look, with this much visibility, you can finally take back control and start managing it.